Hey guys, my name is Aditya and you have tuned into Channel ACube. In today's video, we are going to disassemble the Sony MDR XB550 headphones, tinker out a few issues and replace the earpads on them. Watch till the end for a sneak peek into the next video. The earpads have aged and are no longer in good condition. Additionally, one of the drivers has stopped working mysteriously. Let's open it up and try and get it fixed. I was able to peel the old earpads off the driver casing without difficulty. The owner of this pair told me that there was an attempt made to stick them back, which is something I will not advise. There are 4 screws holding down the casing, and once these are off, you can use a plastic pry tool to work around the edges and remove the top panel. Make sure you do not pull on the driver as it is connected by 2 delicate wires that might snap under pressure. Let's do the same on the other side too. Next, we are going to check the continuity between the 2 contacts on the driver and the contact rings on the 3.5mm jack. A few simple tests with the multimeter on continuity mode, and we were able to find a loose contact on one of the drivers. A quick run to the solder station fixed the continuity issue. The next task was to find a compatible pair of replacement earpads. I could not get hold of the exact match. They were not available on Amazon, and the other sites that I checked had them overpriced. So I decided to get a generic pair of earpads that closely match the dimensions. I will leave a link for them in the description below. They arrived after a week and I installed one of them to make sure they fit right and looked good. I will show you how we can do this on the other side now. The new earpads are a little smaller in size and not as spongy as the originals. So I had to get a little innovative and improvise on getting these in place. I had to stretch the fabric clip on the back side of the earpad so that it gained enough elasticity to fit around the large driver plate. Then, we need to remove the casing that secures the drivers by getting the screws off and prying the panel out again. We can then fold the fabric clip outwards and place the earpad over the driver plate. Either side of the driver plate has a small latch that can be used as an anchor point for the fabric lip. Working around the entire driver plate, we can now make sure that the earpad is secure and the fabric lip is held with enough tension. Now we can slide the driver plate back into place and snap it close with the latches in place. Though it is a tight fit, we still have not installed the screws that secure it down. In order to get their placements right, we can slide our finger in between the ear cushion and the net and find the exact placement of the screw. Once we have found it, we can screw down the plate through the net. The inner net can endure this damage, and it also helps in securing down the entire earpad. So though it's not the best way one would do a fitting, it works just fine. And there we have it. Electronic gadgets often stop working for very simple reasons that have a very quick and easy fix. It is good to know a few basic concepts and some DIY hacks to set things right. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Hit that subscribe button to make sure you don't miss out on the next video. We have the JBL Club 950 NC, and I'm going to review it and tell you all the quirks and features about it. See you guys in the next one.